India ki democratic system sida khwaidagi chawba constitution na piba power si election commission dane aduna we should have a habit of trusting the election commission of India ko ihan thamge go aluga election commission of India haibasi yamna autonomous oiba aduga mi amana natraga any political party amana hekta manipulate tawba yabagi scope haibase asi public ki wakhanda gidi aina khanbada thampham phate na khalle ko as a journalist as a citizen kaino the election commission of India haibasi gi power si the whole country sin na sara helabo orgasu election pangthok taba yadabani na se yamna lappa khun amada mi ama khatang lerasu mi taradang lerasu ko election gi damakta di they will spend crores of rupees for the right of a citizen to exercise their franchisee ko
yes
bon ama thada ba haibasi democracy sat paliba ki di amani aduna aina khanbada di primarily hojik India gi belt whole over the hanariba adudagi se mamangi lok sabha gi election da yam kanna campaign tawrisi Lok Sabha gi BJP na chahi tara pairaba matung da campaign tawrisi we will cross 400 haibani haibam su thoi kaino dang sagi public ta campaign tawri mani na confidence ama haibado but madu election commission of India do magi political party gi makhada leram taragadi hujik 240 muk oramani ko I think hujik MP se Lok Sabha gi se 240 oramani 240 aduna takpadi I think mina pangai haragasu ama haragasu political party amagi wisdom da we should never belittle the election commission of India akhoi shu yam pikna election commission of India gi magi general trend si reporting urai political party gi mayam si urak panina it will not be a very nice gesture or a comment to belittle our election commission ama lai habisi masimadi editorially akhoi adum haidana su lai aduga that will be my first remark aduga miras Haryana gi Congress ki defeat se there are many reasons zik BJP na yamna popular oibagi wari natte adi kanagumulam jen chemin na bada Congress yamna blame tawba ya ama tawba ya ana khanbada di mamangi Lok Sabha election da if my memory serves right han Congress blank salurabane MP se adaki out of 10 da manga ka khiba male Lok Sabha da subject to correction ko madudagi over confidence am leire adudagi hojik leiriba Delhi gi aapki Kejriwal gi magi BJP gi chief minister pharubagi madugi hek neighboring state ina madugi influence ama lakadra web ama lakadra haibagi ama khra like a bicycle oiba self confidence ama leire at the same time mi ama bol lepna rakpa matamda khara kanna kalle haira agadi mediana sagalagadi opposition hajidi magi he will tighten or she will tighten his grip ko both the campaign tawda kanna yamna kanna tarukani aduga mamangi chahida mamangi 2019 da Haryana da miras ai Google da yeng hodre ai kawdi kawre kuthra mathoi kabade male Congress
su kai kuthra
mathoi kai adu hujik Congress ki hujik phangi badu 37 I would argue they're also not less they're also improving in some way number dadi they are improving absolute majority phangda bagi one they are also improving ko do batargadi election haibasi hujik hayeng ayukti constituency kudingi candidate amadagi vote kayam hele haibagi analysis se muk la ani ngai khara urambane marginal ni ko haidi public ki muchi kada ide lai sui vote tara helaga su ka gedori ne miras ado ibataragadi first Jammu and Kashmir National Conference ka INC gi alliance yes heads up to them ngai gi magi whole sida magi BJP gi penda natraga nungai taba ama soidna leramba su yai ko aduna massive landslide victory phangaga laigibasisu Congress has a reason to celebrate aduga hojik Kumari Seljana hairibasisu hek haidurokpa loibagi hanagi ayuki leramba trend da thirakpa horopagi leramba trend dagi magi hojik haidarakpa seisida masu machin kanga there is some in manungda karikra moi leadership ki khara zulere ko akoina election gi trend da editorially haigadabasi a political party winning an election has a right to celebrate aduga winning dunna magi reason celebrate toroga subai losing sina should have the courtesy to congratulate the winner ko haibadi ai smain tawduna koi public na pira iba mandate ase koi respect tawi haibagi sigi culture ama asi India da mangsalak pa ma uri ko
okay do
haibadi now the very democratic culture of congratulating the winner hoji masina new generation of politician me anda tambigada base karino haiba matamda winner da congratulate tawba aduga with humility winner duna su accept tawba aduga good governance ma ensure tawdo that is the basic democratic niko aduga hojik BJP gi nauna muk ngasai late afternoon da hojik lai base sisu aina sum khanbada di BJP gi magi advantage amana naksu nakna ba aduga BJP ka pullagadi Haryana gi kana gadra haibagi madugi in the last 2-3 days sida ko anova wave ama just before the election ko aduga magi numit marini mangani hek yeithokhi bagi matam I think postpone the buhi matam sida ko it was a massive campaign nama haitare anova mood ama sagat khi bagi hojik kanna hainara aduga let us see final result lak pawju laktri ko aduga Haryana gi so ina kham
aduga confirm oyena damo hum no yare ngasi
yare di absolute majority ko 90 gi manung da 49 aduga Congress su hana 31 kalam 36 there also masing hengala even ko
BJP su hengala ine from 40 to 48 yor ine 48
admaina thamge
okay adu laksering muje tamo Jammu and Kashmir gi election che hojik si India gi national media da habitare Haryana gi election jina over represented habitare president obuji yam hena wang tawi even the prime minister himself hojik pung tare ta magi ekhoi headquarter da hojik lani media ma yam ngai leigre aduga magi public statement am piro matung da hojik pan India celebration am hojik Haryana gi si tawdori tamo kamai yengbi hojik proportionately Jammu and Kashmir election jiga Haryana election jiga ani ji ekhoi national media nu putok mandam da Haryana gi over represented to be maram kari gino ani so bada BJP na haibi ya maro point je masine thami base election da Jammu and Kashmir gi mai pak padu na te ko BJP gi victory di but Jammu Kashmir da peaceful transition nama democratic transition nama lak pase hana president will layo matung da makhata na Jammu Kashmir da election ji peacefully pangthok pangam gadra ngamoidra haidana panaram bade how peacefully pangtho public mandate lai whether BJP win or not kasar na hairi je hojik election na phajana pangthok pangam gi baza it is a victory for BJP kari habi ningi tam
mire silak thing da ngarangi nahan gi Supreme Court ki major landmark to amtaga khoi viewers in the remind tawjage
habi
karigumba government amana journalist natraga writer amana government ama criticize tawa matamda government na maduda initiative khoi legal su lakhutpa yarwe na Supreme Court ki judgment se yamna important oiba judgment ne hojiki India gi laiba trend sida hojik ai gi ba khoi gi BJP natraga Congress natraga anybody government pai ba amana magi instrument mayam use tawbra misuse tawbra abuse tawbra election gi matamda lana season rakpa kaina yam kana hainarib se sigi mathak says in the last couple of decades chahi taragi manung within this 10 years this the kanogi BJP gi makhogi media campaign se masi I think one of the most mogi khwaidagi important oiba khulai haina I this social media Facebook Twitter Instagram plus toina campaign se I think yam intensive oiba media campaign se BJP se they are master aduga hojiki mayam haina ba all is fair in love and war haibado government am paragadi magi amuk government do laknam gi damakta namfu da karigumba soidana pot khara season ramgani haibasidi that is alum commonly accepted com haibadi government gi department dagi oigadra khangna badagi oigadra chanagadri oigadra but still paina government paina maithiba kharabudi yaure aduga media gi trend da ihan han khangadabase miras exit poll natraga karigumba state amagi election da hanjan na survey tarba matungda asi kani asi karoina haibase ngarang ji khanarpa matamda hujik amuk latest amuk whatsapp group ta hainari se exit poll ase failure ba hainari failure haibadi exit poll haibase magi kano oina ba TRP hengatna ba magi popular oina ba exit poll haibase it is not fair also magi people gi wakhande influence tawi it is not the democratic ta phabanate kana soji kana argument of reiko and coming back to your question miras hojiki India gi trend da lairiba media gi trend adagi government no magi lairiba instrument mayam ED dagi oigera CBI dagi hainariba mayam loina makase asi koina sum khanbadadi government gi instrument ama oriba mayam sina manipur gi reflection da chose ju lakada bane ba ko aduga government gi humility haibado akhoi gi kok nonjaba hiba government am pairagadi mina ta ba hiba government am pairagadi prajana sauraga so tinjo tharaga ta ba hiba gamba madugumba adubu kari kauge da akhoi gi mature political party hana launi aduga hojik mayam train on university akhoi gi hafit akhoi gi fascism kaina kanna haina rebuse it is not a good sign for democracy aduga hojikti social media natraga mayam si loribusu hojikti haina re media haibasi smaina miras professionally leba khana lebani hojikti haina rebuse anyone angang khangde na ha khangde sida android natraga smartphone am pairagadi he is the first journalist ko pauji chumbra chumdabra hekta pangai haiba anybody who has a smartphone today is a first informer first public the page aduni ko adu betaraga su hayeng nongala kanda news da yorokpra television yorokpra se verify tawne aduga akhoi gi chinglemba haibase chinglemba haibase krino haibada government am pairaba matamda akhoi sarkar ma paiba matamda MLA ama vote kaba matamda MP ma vote kaba matamda akhoi gi grand celebration se aigi motadi mase afaba nate na khale any kind of grand celebration by a victor is not a good sign for democracy ko magi amna symbolic oiba akhoi vote kare haibagi party da people da handaki election sida thawa yamna yabi khiba thagatpa adadagi yamna free and fair gumba akhoi gi public da akhoi gi nonjaba haijabase I think this is a very very good tradition of democracy aduga akhoi ruling party amasu oriba aduga BJP si oriba pan white India ge celebration aduga sigumba yamna domineering oiba ko aduga sigumba si aina tum khanbadadi media natana as a citizen of this country ko aduga masiga lariba train sidadi I think masi tawdaba phabra hain ju khalli of course every sports su akhoi thoiraga harauri ko aduga that should not be so exorbitant ko hekta yamna hangoi adu tawba masai yamna ka henna aduma tawbududi I think marak tasu public amo oina common people amoina I sorzo oirakani aduga ina sum khanbadadi a big celebration for any political party victory da koi gi hekta thaw ngamgi aduga lai chaidna no tawbuse I think it is not a good sign that we should be
good sign oide habisi da tamo ina lakchening bongkol e origina hojik Narendra Modi gi handaki election chida it's a big shock for BJP do BJP gi hatri government ama lakta raga ju mamangi lok sabha election gi sida BJP gi oina de chobo shock amani maram de BJP na expect to boje with all BJP na hadak tawkhriba hokriba Narendra Modi gi term ani sida tawkhriba thabuk mayam sina 400 par haidana 400 plus lakani haidana expect to maruba exit poll mayam amada
I can suppose karigumba miraza ko football sanagera cricket sanagera any sports sama sanabada ko aigi coach sina aina thokring aida akoi si room dagi kaadu dagi mari manga pullaba kanda akoi giant ama thingnaba oitaraga su puning thokat boina aigi worker mayam aigi players thorak boina yamdrabada goal manga helaga thogadabani haibasi phille thodi podorim ni ko the coach already knows coach ne di already khangabani aiga sanadori ba team sina di horen first half dagi dum goal mari manga chandre ji khangdorabne ba but still the duty of a coach is to inspire the players ngasi di actor ngasi Himalaya baki damakta ai country ji gi damakta thawai hapchang yaw na kathokta sanagadabani yang lak mari manga yengi ba million inspire and similarly it is for any political leader magi worker mayamda magi political party da ekoi handati se changa kunthani phugi se koi chamri hendaba yade habisidi political game haigadra gimmick haigadra magi tawdaba yadaba amani ground reality habi leader amal lanama chatpa habisidi magi soldier do inspire tabuta bani
sida just I want to put this adugi haitare 400 plus ki expectation amadi leyo tamo ko media mayam amana exit poll da 400 plus mayam am piru re now madu phangidre ba BJP na phangidre ba matung di live media ge narrative si public opinion mayam amana ne is BJP se down graph lai have never BJP Narendra Modi ki popularity se 100 and Rahul Gandhi se rise to have ki question leba now Haryana gi election sina BJP gi hanagi pride BJP gi hanagi optimism BJP gi hanagi confidence adu nauhona revive to abra adu gi revive del do ngasi pan India celebration ama Narendra Modi ga loina tawraga da haba tare pan India se Manipur yaw do ni sigi pan India celebration ama tawna gi move sa adu lori ra haba ni tamogar hebni
miras aisu WhatsApp group khra yaw jai ye akhoi gi national media international media miyam sung imanaba mayam world gi mayam se akhoi Kashmir ga Haryana gi election se akhoi international media mayam senior colleague mayam akhoi gi problem yaujai adira ngasai gi prik sum thorok mayam je adum tabada nungai aduga akhoi Manipur da hainari ba adagi party amna hainari ba mayam se so it is a reflection of what people are saying ko hujik hairi bise gold medal phangbagi celebration ama silver phangbagi celebration ama bronze phangbagi celebration ama hoji latest group the highly say the ruling BJP which is in alliance with the regional party kharaga yauruga in the government da hoji salari base boy consolation prize ama phange because of their victory in Haryana haidi you have a reason to celebrate even you have a consolation prize haibidi gold amana phangre silver amana phangre bronze amana phangre ko lamjen da hoigera amada hoigera but more consolation prize so one di phange because they have won Haryana and every political party has a reason to celebrate even if it is a fourth place fifth place ko haibagi hoji WhatsApp du hainari ko let them celebrate aduga haibadi ko haibadi whole India gi pan India gi 240 da yenguraga 100 kanogi Haryana na face saving hai tare ko koi gi political party amagi amrom dhare ga ijat kanba moi tare koi gi sports amagi sai gi ain raja gi do goal ani hum ja amang mari chan gi am chalaga di that is a consolation, that is a victory hai do I think political party amo oina worker khuding da makoi gi block level da haigera natraga mandal level da haigera they have to re-inspire for the next coming elections madugi damka they also have a reason to celebrate aduga aina sa haijaba do koi gi any political party a very big fanfare ekda dum nam da koi gi kari hujik lekai da haiba koi gi jambaki kaina haina bodo dum nam da hekta celebrate tauba adugi amma tauba sidi I think it is not a very good trend of what we are teaching our young generation.
Okay.
Young generation da ko.
Yes.
Akoy actor celebration da asmana ama tawuse. Ay di asum ako ju sahi khara sum reporting tawjarak pa sum ujarak pa de ko. Adumain tawuse. Any political party, whether it is Congress, whether it is BJP or NCP hoigera, any hoigera ko, Telugu Desam hoigera, any political party ama masagi board karap matamda actor to celebrate I think that is not something that I appreciate personally.
Okay, final question the laks okay second round sida mo the Congress party gi manung gi problems ekoi Congress party zi state wise election mayam jusum yeng baganda quite the challenges say Congress party the what's stopping Congress party from getting power sida live wafam zi Congress manung gi internal dynamics amakak leivese old generation amasung new generation anigi transition si smoothly to bungam da BJP di kasai yam centralized over party ni any high command gi mi mata on pick up to khiba da madugi manung da haba tar yam chauna magi in fighting ji later gi mami ta eba yam centralized over aduga Congress di let's look at Madhya Pradesh, let's look at Rajasthan, even let's look at Punjab how the haitaro every state at the election je ayam the Congress manung ge mag in fighting je haju jik lai je haju mapan tho ni Kumari Selja na si piba magi press briefing the after election ge post election result ki mana piba ka na mana Bhupendra Singh Hooda da yam chauna dicta we Kumari Selja si chief minister ohen ba yai habasi Haryana gi mi mayam ki public opinion ne yam chauna ta bani adu senior leader Bhupendra Singh Hooda na handaki election campaign ji mana dominate tawga chatli adu Kumari Selja si election campaign ji da yari bang ya honde bani handaki si lairibis that is the reality Congress manung da habatare leiba magi internal dynamics hai sina ayam matam the election si da maithina bagi maram oibra even BJP na rightly pointed it out kari having isi matang
hojik si already Google li yeng the reason for defeat of Congress in Haryana haibada hojik lona commonly point man hojik thangan reise hojik Google la dum yeng bio the reason for defeat of Congress in Haryana ko lona mag yawe haina ribam yam magi political gi magi leadership ki challenge toba ama yanada ba khotab lo yaw ko there are many factors how political party ma maithi vibes yam harakani aduga angsai gi haina khiba mayam se ista Congress ki hujik Rahul Gandhi ki yam kanna panari ko Rahul Gandhi ki magi leadership ta adadagi angsai gi khoi gi BJP ki spokesperson general secretary na zo haibiri ba adadagi kanona su Congress ki spokesperson na zo haibiri ba ko अखोई मीडिया सूम येंगपदा राहुल हु इज राहुल गांधी येंगपदा राहुल गांधी से मराइबक थीबमना मोगी ग्रैंड मदर से सासिन तौना लेगिदबनिको अदरगी मागी मपासिसु ट्रेजिक इंसिडेंट लेगिदबनि अंगांग ओइना फैमिली अमदा हेक अखोई मागी मबोक्तगी अदरगी हेक पोकपसिसु याम ट्रेजिक फैमिली अमदा एंड दे वे ट्रू नेशनलिस्ट इंदिरा गांधी राजीव गांधी एज इंडिया की प्राइम मिनिस्टर ओरंबा ट्रू नेशनलिस्ट नेशनल कैरेक्टर याम नमुन्ना खंबा लीडर ने अदो in the same train go Rahul Gandhi si as an observer, as a citizen, as a media person yengakpadadi in the last 5 years magi foreign tour aduga magi context magi speech tadi he has matured I bid magi tongan ba no ba ama lae magi yatra chatpa ama khangde aduga yes leadership ki magi family ki horak pa ama khangde but people also have generally started accepting Rahul Gandhi also as a kind of a mature leader now aduga saigi yamna Modi da yamna koigi yamna koigi unparliamentary oibada chaiba wahi ko prime minister da admain tauna koigi atopa Rahul Gandhi da su yamna chip oiba wahi naga koigi colloquial ba slang daga ngang nang ani ga haijabudo akoi politics ki kitang thak nem tharak pa that is also an uncalled for aduga ai samakso sum yengbada de koigi congress ki Rahul Gandhi su he has gradually matured yamna tamma sum mature oibagi magi ngangak pada mapana chali khudimak da amadi ure yes mi khudimak selon ma perfect nate nobody is perfect aduga hojiki ngasigi BJP na Haryana na sweep tawba aduga JNK da Congress na aduga NC gi national conference ki pulaga ka vibe se it will be historic for the country
okay
ko haidi Congress ki su NC ki su national conference ki su tungan ba Jammu and Kashmir haibasigi tungan ba magi inherent oiba problem yam chang le rakhre ko border oiba Pakistan ISI gi infiltration madudagi militancy North East khangde world khangde loinam uriba militancy de lari basiga Jammu and Kashmir de lari ba because of the akoi gi mapuji ka tho so problem create to rusina lakpa Jammu and Kashmir de lakpa politics da awa ba haibase even Kashmir da lariba nationalist mayam awaba maneba aidi Jammu and Kashmir da lariba heart and soul Indian ne lariba mayam sigi ko aidi identify ta matam da awaba amane aduga mi khudimakna handaki election sida vote hadaba thor e haibase asi India ki the democratic system asigi sidi grand success
okay it's a grand success
aidi yumdagi ki dana ai bot hada bathore haibase haibadi suppose hoji koigi USA da bot hada na matam se da ngasi bhawda moi 60 cross tawde yam 160 cross tawe ko US ki khwaidagi chawgraba moi gi presidential elections de da hanjan yengbada 58 60 atopa state khara da 70 yo matam da yam awang ba poll ne haiba ko mamangi Joe Biden ga hogi Donald Trump ki hojiki election se masida akhoi karam mano haiba matam da kanogi mogi corona gi matam da vote amata wo matam da ne moi electronically yumdagi vote hadaba yagi ba haidi akhoi gi yumdagi phammaga akhoi gi smaina hadaba yagi badagi there was a massive rise in the participation of the electorate in the voting ko otherwise makhoi gi franchise moi exercise tawdaba adubu Jammu and Kashmir gumba irang thokpa aduga yam toina su militant ki affected oiba state amada ai personal observation da halaga mi khudimak hojik voter kayam thadoba vote kaya thalagi aduga last train sid ai udri ko handak law and order aduga misimina yaudaba mi khudimak peacefully poll tawba mayam thorei bhaibase in some way it is a true face of democracy adu the credit also should go to the central government aduga hojik idang thuandana adudagi mi khudimak bot hadan ba thon bangam ba mi khudimak yumdagi thoraga bot hadan bangam bai base law and order maintain da wai base su of course irrespective of all the political differences the credit also should go to the present government where people have allowed to vote ko aduga Haryana gi hojik BJP na kari basu yes they have a reason to celebrate aduga Congress ka NC gi su they have a reason to celebrate in Jammu and Kashmir aduga finally my concluding remark is vote ka ba khudimak se lona mak sai karba matungda they should never forget that we are here to serve the people aduga people na haiba amuk vote hada garga karaga su critically examine tauba aning sa haijabudo Supreme Court na government criticize tawbada government ne koi gi case lokot pa yaro en hairi base it is a shot in the arm for the democracy ko adumana so tamjage aduga I think it was a very very well conducted election in Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay, tamo, thank you very much. Anse ay tamo da laksage tamo da laksaning baze tamo hauzik national politics ne khoi ngasi maru in nei nei baze national political gi maru oiba political event ni maru Jammu and Kashmir gi election ji na yam history of election amadi oi aduga malim gi media na so have that international media na yam kumna yengba observe toba issue madi oi ni Jammu and Kashmir gi election sida whether BJP na kawa na trago Congress NC na kawa haiba wafam duna tonga na thangwar kanda Jammu and Kashmir gi election si tamo finding asai khaitang madi thambig re haiba tare ko masida kasai heavyweight ni dini masida thengnari baze including asai Congress ki yam maru oiba leader am oiba Gulam Nabi Azad ki then engineer Rasad ki political party haidare hanagi oiramba haiba tare moi myam am thengnari bani handaki election sida masida NC Congress ki win namadi lae tobudu Jammu Kashmir gi election ji mayam gi international media da masigi impression ji kamai tane lobi
ihan hana BJP na Haryana da vote karak pagi aina ihan haijabado uzik analysis ta me amna yang pada there are 5 major reasons ko point mari manga piri lonamak valid oibne khana bada ne na bada lonamak ta adum content yaw pot ne aduga Jammu and Kashmir da su karigi da makta BJP power pai ba kamakta bano aduga national conference ka alliance congress kina karigi vote kara ino haibase there are about 10 reasons ko hoji mayam analysis mayam na haidai se hayengdi phajana phonar ani point nama katana te haibadi aina sa haijabudu ne election na si ju game kalam ne mi tara mathoi sanabadu da striker amna ball pura sakadaba nate mai pass mayam lakani ko mathang lakanda goal chanbai wani I'm just having an analogy gi wari ne aduna vote ama karakpa natraga political party amuna mai paklak pa haibase there are many reasons aduga hojiki kanona koi gi BJP ki spokesperson aduga jesi kidan haibiri bisu moi ki opinion amani hojiki article 371 gi haibudu so must be one of them aduga atopa mayam na udaba factor mayam su leramgani aduga reason do adu su oramgani hojiksi Manipur gi matang da natraga hojik atopa state amada election tawa matamda Manipur si yamna khanai miras ko adi Manipur si hojik issue si lusalae chahi amaga tha taruk taret sujalae ko adula Manipur haibasisu not only in India global media dagi expert mayam sina Manipur gi matang da article ama iba madadagi amuk hangboi khangdaboi pangi de iraga hojik mapan gi journalist mayam se Manipur gi matang da debate yawe harade yamna khangba mangre khoi se swaida pokchabani swaida chaujabani swaida dum isigi webs dum chaujarakpane bala khoi de karimta keno tawbana taba hojik Manipur gi issue si mapan gi journalist mayam media mayam sina inari ba analysis story mayam lonamak se lonamak fabricated natragasu chumdaba lanbasu yam yawi ko miras from our media perspective aduga Manipur gi matang sisu hojik Delhi da natraga Kashmir da natraga anywhere election ama to matam da UP da ogera Bihar da ogera Manipur gi issue mo oireba ko aduda khoina kanjabadi political party mayam hojik hanari base sugunata bada government the political party in power gi achauba thodang ama responsibility amako ama lay haibasima sungkaw kawroidabuni government paiba ama adadagi both Delhi dasu same party Manipur dasu same party aduga thoiba Manipur thoiba crisis ase adopa kanoda political party da noina laktabadagi haibado I think that would be something aina kanbadadi madu haiba adum hairagasu ko issue si government paiba sigi achoba thodang amalai resolve ama porakpada je central government na hujik hainari bidune central government na solve tawge hardi hek horopa nimitu dagi ne within 1 week ta namit maini manga da lotion ba yawa ponni kai se media da phangai hainai adu taragadi lotion drip to kari no kaina muk debate to ngari se aduni da aina hajabade yes of course Manipur the election MP gi phajana pangthokre aduga people also have given a mandate kanogi Manipur da BJP na government paina ko and even absolute majority panghrabane aduga kanoda inner Manipur parliamentary constituency da Bimol Akoizamna Pangiba Bhoto Manipur gi oinadi historic margin ne haibadi ahanbada MP gi vote se lising manga taruk henbada yam heli hairami bane the people have given a mandate ko adalagi outer Manipur gi su pire we should also respect aduga parliamentary proceeding karikra loinamak lei aduga hoje loselapodadi my comment is Manipur ki political party natraga any khandanenaba matam says Manipur ki sida ownership haibado thaudang lauba aduga ai responsibility lauba haibagi wakhando it is missing.
Okay.
Adune akogi point 1 2 3 center phawba ngasi khudamoin harabada Kashmir election campaign da Haryana ki campaign da ko akoi Manipur ki crisis se step 1 asi lokhorkani 2 asi lokhorkani 3 lokhorkani haibagi khanna naina ba problem se ko natabida ngang ba ko adu natabida because we are concerned, we are tired and we are worried for the next generations to come.
Okay.
Adugi seriousness to we should see in the coming years ko adu that can be a different topic later.
Okay, thank you tamo na habi masimi yam chumbo form mani ngarang maksi Arvind Kejriwal na pigi ba ma ki public statement da Manipur gi form ji yam chawna ngang ki ba theng nei